Zero. Here we go. This is a live stream. All right, folks. Hi, how are you doing tonight? Let me see if I can talk to somebody because I just came back and I'm watching to my beautiful sunset. It's a beautiful sunset. It's this crazy sun. I can try to show you, but it's not much. You can't see so much. You see the sun over there. Over there, the sun, beautiful, just beautiful. It's a red ball going down in the ocean. Anyway, guys, the thing what I wanted to talk with you is just, I'm just looking to my sunset, I'm talking to you. But so far, okay, somebody just popped up here. Cool, let me know who is here that I can share with you something interesting. I just came back from the meeting with my private client, and we got some interesting conversation because I got a phone call today that my private client, he said he needs some help. All right, he needs some help. I said, what's up, buddy? Here in Vancouver, okay, because I'm teaching here in a privately. Some people, I have a small group of clients whom I teach this stuff privately, okay? So, and the guy, he came to me for the help. He actually called me and he said, Andrew, can you help me? I got this problem. And the problem is actually very simple. Somebody, he was doing pretty good because I have been coaching him for, let's say, 4 or 5 weeks now. And he was doing pretty good, okay? But somebody suddenly started to copy and paste his titles, all right? So, which is not really ethical, okay? So, and he found out that the sales are dropping down a little bit. So it's just some guys naturally copy and paste his titles and the same pictures, the same titles, and kind of like annoying. His sales is not totally damaged, but someone found him on eBay and start to, like I said, go and take the look, but I never told you guys to copy and paste because this is what I am against. So the chopper is going. I have to close the noisy it will be. But the copy and paste stuff was not really ethical, okay? So, and he called me and he said, Andrew, what we can do? How can I get rid of this person here? Because he is damaging my account, okay? So, because he used my good products I used to sell, and he just brutally, he copies everything, like title, and put him on his. And I can see the follow-up, and I said, okay, let's do something here, okay? So, and I guys want you to hear this because you can be the next guy in the line, okay? And I don't want to scare you, but I just warning you, okay? I'm warning you. I want to give you fair warning, okay? So, do not even try to copy and paste somebody's job, all right? If you will be the one who is brutally copying and pasting somebody's titles and somebody's pictures and descriptions, I promise I will gonna take you down the same way like we took it down this guy today. And here's the way how we wanna do this. Okay, I want to be very straightforward, okay? Don't do this because I never said to copy and paste, and I'm against the copying and pasting. You have to make it better. But if you were gonna start copy and paste and the person will appear to be my client, okay? In this case, he is my private client, and I was really mad, all right? So the thing what we did was very simple. We just created a very brand new account on eBay, and because I see that the guy who was copying and pasting, he was a newbie. He got about 15 feedbacks there, okay? So what we did was, and 100% positive feedbacks. What we did was we created a new account, all right? Okay, brand new account. we created on eBay. So then we went to that guy and we purchased his $7.99 product, because obviously he's listening to me somewhere, I don't know, in this group, or I hope it's not from my students, but because I used to deliver a lot of stuff here in School of Dropshipping for free. So some of those guys who is taking free lessons, he's copying everything and trying to implement this. By the nature of how he does this, I can consider that he is not my student or very bad student, because he applies not exactly what I teach, okay? So from this account, we went there and to bought his $7.99 item. We just made a purchase, okay? So now I'm going to tell you the story, what will going to happen next. This guy, I hope this is not you, okay? I hope this is not you. This guy will, tomorrow morning, he will want to wake up, or maybe now he already realized, yeah, I got the sale, all right? So he got the sale, we paid him $7.99. He will gonna need to ship the item to us, okay? Or particularly not to me, but to my client, to my private client, okay? He will gonna need to ship the item to him, okay? So you follow so far. Item will gonna be shipped. That's what we're gonna do, and if this is you, but I hope it's not you. But when we were gonna receive item in 2-3 days, whatever it is, we were gonna leave negative feedback for no reason. We will come up with the reason, because I don't need, as a buyer, I don't need really a reason, because eBay will be on my side. I will come up with the reason. I will break the item, okay? I will break the item and I will take a picture and I will send a picture to the seller saying that this is, you send me wrong stuff or wrong color, whatever. I will gonna make up the text, okay? And we will leave negative feedback. And now listen to me. If this particular guy has 15 positive feedbacks, as I said, okay? And if I were gonna leave him one negative feedback now, which we were gonna do for his practice, that he's practicing copy and paste and trying to get down my client, okay? The first of all, this is the next step of what we're gonna do. We were gonna leave the negative feedback by leaving negative feedback from his 15 feedbacks what he got. All right, he will gonna be down to 67 or 75, something about this positive feedback score. Okay, automatically he's out of the business. Okay. So guys, I'm just, and there is a few next steps what we're gonna do. We're gonna block him. He will not gonna be able to anyhow to reach the account again to us. So guys, there is a, please be serious. If I'm talking to you and if I'm warning you, do not use copy paste. And if you use to copy and paste successful sellers, this is against my teaching, okay? And if another student will gonna be my client who is suffering, or you are trying to copy and paste exactly his work, where somebody invested job, hour thinking, and paid for the education, and then some scumbag is coming and copying and pasting everything, I promise I will gonna take you down. Very easy. I know how to do this. And trust me, I have been doing this in a past, okay? Because I will gonna protect students who are going to work, who are going to invest, and I will gonna take down and I will gonna open another account. And if you have 150 positive feedbacks and you think one negative feedback will not gonna change anything, I will gonna open 6-7 accounts and I will gonna track you down and take you down. All right, guys. So I am mad. Yes, I am mad. Not because you hurt me, but you hurt my client. Some. I'm not saying you, but somebody who has been watching my trainings, that just the thing that $7.99, I did a quick, I got somebody, here is a super seller, I got him, I copy, paste, I don't think anything, okay? Yes, there is a money. The game is over, guys. The game is over, very easy. So don't do this. Don't do this ever. If you find some successful seller, okay, the point what I'm teaching you in any training, even in $7.99, look how you can do this and modeling, not copy paste, but modeling, and look what you can do better, how you can do better pictures, better titles, better whatever, better, all right? Because we are so many there, and I know the $7.99 teaching is the most popular right now in the whole dropshipping world. I know this, I know, I'm very aware of this, okay? Because this is the only stuff what works. $7.99 works always. But you cannot apply in an evil ways this, all right? You have to do your job. You cannot just find somebody who is successfully applying my teaching and trying to damage his work. This is against my policy, and if you are somebody who is kind of like realizing that you have kind of person who is damaging your account, please raise your hand, contact me, and I promise I will gonna help you to, we will gonna take that person down as well. There is no jokes about this. This is business. This is not stuff like you can go on YouTube and follow those YouTubers and do whatever they says. This is not the way what I teach, all right? So by saying this, sun is down. I started, there was a nice sunset. So anyways, I see some people are coming now. I recommend you to go over this is live video and to watch from the beginning, because the message is very important. If you miss the beginning, you have to hear the message from the beginning, okay? And be successful, all right? Do your job. You can make business running very well, okay? Educate yourself and enjoy. And yeah, I hope I get the message right out there, all right? So thanks for watching. That was it for tonight, okay? Bye-bye.